Hello, I have not done one of these favorite videos in a long time, but it is a tried and true, very beloved theme, and it is let's go to Trader Joe's and see if I can spend $15 and make an awesome fall themed arrangement for you. Thanksgiving is next week, so I'm giving myself this challenge in hopes to inspire you to create something beautiful. So let's go into my local Trader Joe's and see what they have. I got all of this for close, not $15, but $19. I thought it was pretty good for some seeded eucalyptus, some astromeria, this beautiful burgundy spray rose, and then the white veronica is this fun little white spray. Okay, before we get to the $19 Trader Joe's centerpiece, I wanted to introduce you guys to a brand that you may or may not have heard of by the name of Luisa. They are a jewelry designer that is online, that is very sustainable, eco-earth conscious, and I got the pleasure of picking out a few items that I am wearing today that I love. So this sweet little gold chain is just very delicate, classic. I've been kind of wearing this almost daily. And then I also picked out this paper clip chain with this sweet little heart pendant. I actually love this most because it reminds me of my great aunt. She used to wear a gold necklace when I was little with a heart, and it just reminds me of her. I'm also wearing these gold Huggies that have the 2 faux diamonds in them. Again, haven't taken these off in about 3 weeks and obsessed. I love the brand. I love that it is priced fairly. I love that it is sustainable. I love that the packaging comes in these cute little cotton pouches with these magnets. It was so fun to open and receive it all. This would be a great holiday gift as you think of your loved ones coming up, or for yourself as you're thinking about all the parties you're going to be attending. So I have a code for you that I'm going to share at the end of the video. Thanks for listening about Luisa. So we're going to start designing. Let's see how this goes. I've got my tape grid in here, got my water, and we are just going to see what $19 at Trader Joe's can get us for a centerpiece. Now you guys saw there wasn't a ton. I had to hold myself back. I really, really wanted the peonies, but they were $12.99, which is a great price. But again, you guys saw I was on a budget, and so I decided to say no to those so that I can show you how much more we can get for our buck here. So I used all the seeded eucalyptus in this arrangement. Sometimes pieces are a little long, so feel free to pull them out, stick them back in. Next, the flower I got, which is definitely a filler flower, it's astromeria. And you know what's funny about these is that I used to despise these flowers. I don't know if that's bad to say how much you dislike a flower, but I did not like these, and I just feel like they reminded me of like cheap bouquets that you would order from the grocery store or 1-800-Flowers, no offense to 1-800-Flowers. But they've kind of grown on me because they're super affordable and they last a very long time. There's always different colors. I went with this pink kind of maroon color because I thought it would balance nicely with my spray roses I purchased. But I also love that it has a lot of bright greenery on it. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 deal, and I think these were $4.99 at Trader Joe's. So such a great deal. This centerpiece will definitely last for a long time. And the flowers aren't even really open yet. They open a lot larger. So this is a good sign because it shows that the plant is fresh, ready to go. So I'm just kind of sticking them in all kind of evenly to kind of fill out here before we add the roses. Now that we've got kind of our base, we're going to add the last 2 elements, which I think I will do the spray roses first because the last thing is more of just a fun filler we can add. So aren't those so pretty? Love spray roses, and I don't know if you guys remember the trick that I showed you a long time ago when I did a Trader Joe's video, but I love the look of the inside of these. See how sweet that is? And you can actually go and pull out some of the inside petals if you kind of want more of a garden rose look. That fun? Fun little tip. So I'm gonna do that with a couple of them. All right, I feel like that's in a good spot. Now I'm gonna add my white Veronica. White Veronica just kind of has a fun, playful shape and movement to it. So I'm gonna strip some of the leaves. See how if you look in the water, there's no greenery or leaves in there. Ideally touching it because it'll make your arrangement last so much longer. Here's the final product. I'm always blown away, and I always love these challenges. $19 can get you this stunning bouquet of flowers. This arrangement could probably go for $150 at just your random floral shop down the street. So go do the challenge. Go see if you can spend under $20 and create something so beautiful for your holiday table. I love this. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and if you want to go check out Ana Luisa jewelry, I'm leaving the link below and a coupon for you. They're giving you 20% off your order. So Ashlyn Carter 10, 20% off if you want to go check out some fun jewelry. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a really great week, and I'll see you next week for some Thanksgiving and holiday tablescape inspiration. Bye.